visited BASF MDI, one of the biggest chemical plants, to commission FOCUS-1 for one of their brand new applications. So let's go! By the time we arrived, Tom, one of their asset specialists, had already connected the device, opened the dashboard and finished most of the setup himself. All we had to do was check the software, run an update and confirm the process settings. That's it. The device controls wastewater injection into a 20-meter high extraction column, which is essential to keeping the production running smoothly. Usually, this would mean multiple sensors, valves and a lot of cabling, but not with FOCUS-1. Tom and his team replaced the valve with FOCUS-1. This was easy because of the same build-in length, and they will use the other sensors for benchmarking. After 6 months, the plan is to control on flow with the FOCUS-1, meaning they can phase out the other sensors and present themselves with an all-in-one solution for future applications, saving a lot of space, components, but also cables. It's all-in-one control, real-time data, and a dashboard that even new team members can work with. That's exactly FOCUS-1's sweet spot. Thanks for watching, and let me know if I can join your future commissioning.